now I'm just going to go through the different hertz for the tone for the Morse code and just record it and just kind of see what it sounds like. I think this unit goes from 305 to about 1,000 hertz. So I'm just going to go through and send some Morse code and change the hertz so you can hear the difference in tone. And here's 701, which is what I usually practice with. Okay, we're back at the beginning. Just wanted to show that so you could hear the different sounds, because I think on the radio you'll hear all different sorts of tones. So, anyways, that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.